Root here again. Today we're going to cook chili, but it's special chili. It's a Blackstone Griddle chili. Yeah. I'm going to take a block of frozen burger, throw in some onions and peppers, and make some pretty good chili on the griddle. It's going to be interesting. Hope you stay tuned. See you out at the griddle.
Hi folks, here we are at the Blackstone, and we're going to start off with some peanut oil. I like to use peanut oil because it's a high temperature oil and it doesn't burn readily. Here we go with the onions and peppers. Yeah, they're going to be cooking for a while, so I'm going to turn both the burners down. I have them down to low setting. So we're going to cook for a while. Here we go with the solid frozen block of hamburger. I'm going to show you how I cook that. It's an interesting process. I add a little peanut oil to that, to the burger block. We're going to cook for a while here and let it go. It's going to take a little while, but not very much. Okay, so I'm starting to cook the hamburger. I turn it over and cook and throw the onions and peppers everywhere and get them turned. And you see how I'm scraping off the top layer after I flip it over and scrape off the cooked top layer. And a very quick process. So, there we go. I'm going to start seasoning. I put a little chili powder on the vegetables and a little bit of oregano. I like that, and it just brings out a little bit of different flavor. And some seasoned salt. I like throw that on there too. It gives a little nice tasty. So that's just the just the start to the seasoning process. And I'm gonna keep on working on that hamburger block, and I'm cooking it on and taking off the cooked layer or the. There you go. Look at that. No time it's going to be unfrozen. So it gets all unfrozen, and I peel it off, and so it's not taking long with that. And so before you know it, you have a nice cooked hamburger on your hands there to start the chili. There you go. Mix up the veggies. Yeah, look at that. Nice. I'm really flailing away with those forks, aren't I? Yeah, I get those forks off. Okay, folks, here we go. I get the big time spatula out. Yeah. And I'm going to start combining it. Let's combine everything, get it going now. Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, keep on cooking that stuff. Yeah. Melded all the flavors together. Yeah. We're going to town now. It's a good start to a chili. I'm telling you. It's excellent. So now, I'm going to start to doing the seasoning. There's some, I like the turmeric, or turmeric, as they say. And that adds a little flavor. There's some ground pepper, peppercorns. Put that in there. That's always a good thing. Oh, you gotta be careful with that. That's jalapeno chili powder. Regular salt. Nice. Gotta have salt. Paprika. Nice. Love paprika. Little extra. Garlic salt. That always makes a nice little flavor. Garlic salt, yeah. Oh, that hard to get out of the bottle cumin. I always like to shake it out, but it just doesn't want to get out of that bottle. Yeah, I got enough out. Cumin. That's some Memphis style seasoning rub I like to throw on there. It has a little sweet taste to it. It has a couple other spices in there I like. So I just throw it in there. It's nice. Okay, now I'm going to mix it up some more. Meld those flavors together. Yeah, we're going to meld those flavors together. Great. Super duper. Love it. Starting to meld those flavors, get them all cooking together. Okay, we're almost finished now, folks. Here we go. That's it. I cook a little bit more, and then now we're going to add the final touches. Got some ketchup. Yeah, throw that on there. A little mustard. Some hot sauce. Nice. I like that Ortega. And gotta have a little barbecue sauce. That's right. That gives a little tiny, not very much, but it gives a little smoky flavor to it. Yeah. Mix it up. Let's mix that up. Yeah, that's getting nice now. Oh boy, I'd like to taste it. Yeah, some noisy guys out there in the background. Always try to cook outside, you get some noise. Somebody comes up there. Well, I tasted it and kind of like the little teaspoon of sugar. Gotta have a little teaspoon of sugar. I tasted it and it needed a little bit, so I've added a little teaspoon. Mix it up a little bit. Let it cook in a little bit. Well, we're finished, folks. That's it for this, man. We are going to take it in house and I'm going to eat it. If I can get my hands on it before somebody else does. I can't wait. Can't wait to eat it. Okay, folks, I'll see you back in the kitchen.
Well, folks, I got a sample of the chili. This is pretty good. Everybody liked it so much, I didn't make enough. Dang it. So I got a little bit left. I'm going to show you. Now, see that? Oh, those peppers and onions and all that nice seasoning. Oh my gosh. And it just came out perfect. It's a very, very interesting taste to it. Little smoky from the little bit of barbecue sauce, and just barely taste that mustard, barely, but it all mixes together so great. Love it. Oh. Very good. I'm gonna do this again. Hey, I'm gonna make more. Don't have very much. Okay. See you next time, folks, at the Blackstone Griddle. Bye.